Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Here we go. This is a baked potato. This is a russet potato. This has been microwaved. This baby's ready. This is a pasture-raised egg. This is a piece of sourdough toast. This is some butter, some salt and pepper. Hey, Mike Foster here. It's time for another one of my simple fried egg over toast recipes. This is a fried egg over potato toast. What's potato toast? Well, I'm going to show you what it is. But this is my simple recipe. I've got a bunch of them. Check them out. But let's check this one out. It's fast, simple, and easy. All right, we've got a medium pan. Let's pop that egg in. Whoops, you see right here? A shell was there. You pick it up with the shell, just like that. Little tip from Uncle Mike. Give a little pepper. That's it for the pepper. All right. Not ready for a flip yet. Hold on. Another 30 seconds, then we'll flip it. All right, we're going to give this guy a flip. I like it nice and runny. That was a crazy flip. Shut it off. Take it off the heat. Now let's prep this potato. We're just going to bunch it up like this. See the steam coming out? Chop it up like this. Toss some butter on there. Yeah, put that butter on there. Let's get this nice and potatoey, buttery. Okay, put that butter right there. See how that's looking. We're going to put a little salt on there, some pepper. Then I'm going to smash it in with this butter. Oh, there's a method to this madness. Let's put the simple toasty together. All right, this has been slightly buttered. Then we just start peeling this potato off like that. Spread it around. This is potato toast with a fried egg on top. Have you never had potato toast? I'm showing you how to make it. We'll take that out. I like the skin, but not for this. It's buttery. It's like mashed potatoes. But you can just do it with a baked potato. There you go. There's the potato. Potato toast. And here's that fried egg. Pop that baby right there. Just a little salt, 2 cracks, she said. And then pepper. There's your finished product. But the fried egg toast is never ready. Never finished. There you go, until you cut into it. Like that. There's your money shot. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. Fried egg on potato toast. People didn't even know it existed. Well, it looks good, but it's all about the taste. Oh. Mmm. The yolk is perfect. Creamy, like those potatoes are creamy. Buttery, little salt and pepper. A little carby, yeah. But you get your protein. Potatoes are healthy for you. Eggs are healthy for you. Butter and bread, not too sure. But check it out. This is all that's left. I got another half. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. And check out all my other videos there and keep living life 365. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hope you can notice I'm losing weight. I'm on this killer diet, and all kinds of stuff's going on. I'm going to show you some before after pictures down the road. Another cuckoo thing. I'm not kidding. Another good one. Now, truth be told, it's good. Got potatoes with breakfast, home fries, hash browns. Just a little version of that. All on one convenient piece of bread. It's the Sweet Baboon. Watched my video with my mom and me from 2018. It wasn't a Cooking with Mom. It was one of my Mike Eats the Streets. It's a seafood restaurant in Rhode Island. My mom says Sweet Baboon, but she doesn't say Baba. That's it.